Meteorologist Matthew East here with you. This is the June 8th, Tuesday edition of the Carolina Weather Video. What a delightful day we had yesterday. Sunshine across the region. In the Carolinas, we had highs low to mid-80s in many spots, 70s in the mountains. Low levels of humidity, a lot of sunshine, just a gorgeous Monday. And today is still going to be pretty good. But some changes really just around the corner. Let me show you what's going on the radar this morning. Some big thunderstorms during the 5 o'clock hour moving from Nebraska into Kansas, heading toward Kansas City. And if that holds together, also some storms down in deep South Texas there along the Gulf Coast. In terms of watches and advisories across the country, severe thunderstorm watch for that activity in the Central Plains states. Also, the pink shady counties there around New Orleans. That's where there's a heat advisory in effect. Very hot and muggy day for much of the Central and Southern Plains into the lower Mississippi Valley. These are dew point temperatures here. These are 4 a.m. dew point temperatures Eastern Time. And notice here in our region, the Carolinas, this is the 60-degree dew point line. This is 55, and actually this map's a little incorrect. 55-degree line's right around there. So still pretty low levels of humidity for us. Meanwhile, very, very hot and muggy conditions coming again off to our west today. Let me show you what's going to happen with the upper air pattern. Still a bit of a trough in place today. This is 2 o'clock this afternoon. But look what happens over the weekend. The old 594 decameter ridge begins to move into the southeastern part of the country, and that always spells heat and humidity during the summertime, and that is exactly what is coming back into our forecast. So again, if you don't like the warmth, you don't like the humidity, enjoy today. Another nice one. Low humidity, highs low to mid 80s, even some upper 70s still in the mountains rather, and should be a dry day overall. All right, though, we get into tomorrow. What will happen is tonight a warm front moves through. That'll usher back in some muggier conditions. Tomorrow highs will be all the way up into the upper 80s to around 90, and then late in the day could see a few thunderstorms, say west of I-95 from the Piedmont up into the mountains. And it'll be a pretty breezy day as well. This little low pressure scooting off to our north, and that's going to give us some pretty breezy west and southwesterly winds. Let's go out to Thursday. Thursday, that front begins to press through, so say the Charlotte area down through much of South Carolina, probably still the chance for a few thunderstorms. The chances diminish with the farther north you go. And then the heat really becomes the big weather story. I think the GFS is sort of overdone with this rain chance on Friday. Can't rule out a storm, but the chances look relatively small Friday. Could be a few storms, though, Saturday. And the heat really begins to build. I think as we get into Saturday and especially Sunday and Monday, many of us could wind up in the mid-90s for highs. This is Sunday, and that is Monday. And anytime you see these 850 millibar temperatures there getting above 20 degrees Celsius, that's a good indication it's getting pretty hot. And that's what's probably going to occur this weekend. So probably only 70s for lows, maybe mid-90s for highs later this weekend. Extremely muggy conditions. Dew points back into the 70s over the weekend. And we go on out here to Tuesday. It looks like we'll try to see a front move through by Tuesday. If that'll be the case, that'll bring us another little bit of a break from the heat and humidity. But right now, the upcoming weekend looking pretty nasty in terms of the heat and the humidity. So, like I mentioned, enjoy today with the break from that heat and humidity in place once again. All right, that's it for today's edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day on this Tuesday, and God bless.